Episode 7. We keep, I keep talking about how important is the quality of the samples. It's simple. It's a simple thing. Junk in, junk out. What is important is to stabilize the sample from point of collection till it's being processed. And there is so many conditions in between collection. Like if you live in Canada, the sample most probably is going to freeze. If you leave it in a drop box or a post office box, it will sit until the postman comes in, especially in the middle of the winter, or somewhere collected in Kuwait, which the temperature actually can exceed 50 degrees Celsius. So the sample has to tolerate that wide range of temperature, from freezing up to very high temperatures. So this is how we designed the stabilization buffer for the DNA. What we looked into, not just building a sample collection that's simple and easy to use. It was important for us not to include any of the hazardous chemicals, guanidinium thiocyanate, which, they claim it shields DNA and RNA, but really it's not as efficient, because if you're doing with methylation, doing some epigenetic studies, the most of your methylation groups can be lost, as well as you cannot transport it on air. It's actually, there is quite a bit of charge to ship it, and you need special customs or a special custom broker to manage these kind of chemicals. Think of other non-invasive sample collection, which they have organic solvents which are flammable. So when we designed our sample collection, we had in mind that it is going to be used across the globe. It's going to be on airplanes. It's going to be transported on ground, and we want it to be as safe for the user, as well as safe for the courier, as well safe for the processor when they receive the sample. But what is most importantly, it is stable and provide you the best sample you can get out of it. So genomic DNA, high molecular weight, long fragments. Actually, it averages with some of the extraction kits over 100 kb, and with Beckman-Coulter Spry technologies, we actually have it at over 40 kb. So it really depends on what extraction and what analytical method you use to measure for the high molecular weight. On top of that, the methylation profiles are preserved well and very well represented for epigenetic testing, like aging or pharmacogenomics assays. This is also on top of it, of course, the number one feature that I love to talk about is bacterial DNA contamination. Whole genome sequencing became less expensive, and from a bioinformatics standpoint, analysis and data quality standpoint, to failure rate standpoint. So bacterial DNA contamination is controlled well. So these are, again, you can use any swab. So this is actually a swab sourced out from Korea. You could use flocked, you could use Puritan flocked, you could use Copan flocked, any swab. It's designed to take any swab, regardless of the source of it. Okay, so just to show you, this is how it's, so the same thing. You see the swab word to make sure you have internal control, and that's about it. So it's this definitely talking about the importance of having non-hazardous, non-toxic material as a stabilizing agent. Thank you.